So let's revisit dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis and talk about lipids. Lipids come in three main categories: phospholipids, which are used in membranes; steroids, which is what our hormones are built out of, including like testosterone, estrogen, androgen. All these different hormones are based on lipids; and fats. We're going to focus on fats for this purpose because those are the ones we most often need to build up and break down. So dehydration synthesis, once again, we are looking at glycerol, and three fatty acid chains to make triglyceride. Notice it creates three water molecules. Another way to look at it, if we draw circles from one to the next, so we have an OH and an H, where water is H2O, so we need oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So you see we have three loops. That gives us three waters and as products. This makes triglycerides, which we can use, and this R just stands for the whole fatty chain behind that, the functional group it's called. Point being, we're storing, it could be energy in there, it could be anywhere different fatty acids, but we're using dehydration synthesis to build this larger, more stable molecule. Or we can do hydrolysis. Remember, hydro, water, lysis, to split. And we can use this hydrolysis to break up triglycerides into three fatty acids for other purposes in the cell. So again, we add the 3H2O. And so we see it here, 1, 2, and 3. So we break the triglyceride into glycerol and three fatty acid chains, simply by adding this water molecule. We don't have to get into the nitty-gritty of how this reaction works, but when you take organic chemistry, if you go to college and go that route, you'll see this again in more detail. But for now, it's enough to say this happens. That's really it. I told you it'd be easier this time around. Remember, dehydration synthesis, dehydrate, take out of water; hydrolysis, split using water. That's the basics of it right there. All right, we'll look at proteins next, which are going to be another short video. And then we'll start looking at photosynthesis, which is going to be better understanding what's going on with that. So again, if you have questions, see me on the floor before or after school. Shoot me a question or ask during class, and I'll see you in the next video.